Here is how to set up price alerts on CoinGecko step by step. First, open the CoinGecko app. You can't do it on the website. They removed it already. Log in or create a free account. Alerts only work when you're signed in. Now search for the coin or token you want to track, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any altcoin. On the coins page, tap the bell icon next to the price or near the top of the screen. A pop-up will appear. Enter the target price you want to be notified at. You can set alerts for when price goes above or below a certain level. Choose your notification method, email or push notification. Tap Set Alert and you're done. You can manage or delete alerts anytime from your account dashboard under the Alerts tab. And that's how to set up crypto price alerts on CoinGecko. Simple, free, and perfect for tracking your favorite coins in real time. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.